Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
Damn, Shady, this shit fire. Yeah.
Wow. You funny for that.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cook 'em until they book 'em. I had to reshoot the intro cause, yeah, but we had fun at this TSU. We gonna see if y'all like it too. But if you guys want any of the girls back on the channel, just let me know. And I'll bring them right back for y'all. Any type of videos, just shoot me the ideas. But it's a TSU trying to get girls' numbers without chatting or talking in any type of manner. See, we got another video on the making for y'all. All of us, my boy, he really just came out here from VB. So y'all show him some love too. But I'll see y'all when the video start.
How you doing?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
Fuck y'all too, lame ass nigga. I'm getting money though. Fuck you, time out.
First thing she said was, I'm good. Didn't even like give me a chance to like say nothing. Shit crazy. She just said, I'm good. Like she didn't even let me talk or nothing. I said, what's your name? She said, I'm good. Like what the fuck? It's cool. I ain't tweaking. Nah, she look good though. She said,
She didn't like politely say no.
She said, like, damn, am I ugly or some shit? Like,
You might as well get these two, bro. I don't even give a fuck. You already got it, but just go walk up to both of them. I don't even give a fuck.
What? Why are you not talking?
can I get your number?
Oh.
You didn't get that?
No. Oh, wait.
I bet I'm gonna text you. What's your name?
Mariah.
Mariah. I bet.
Dude, you might as well go straight to the left right here.
Nah. Hey, you said that shit, and she was behind me at the time.
That's all you gotta do. Be quick.
Shit, I wasn't paying attention.
I ain't gonna lie. If he did it to the left, she probably no. Nah, but she was probably gonna look back. Yeah, how would it? She like, you really gonna get my number? Say, boss.
Hey, say twin. All right, fuck you. All right, man, nigga.
Shit, Dylan. One on the left, right?
What's your name? D. I'm gonna text you. Straight to it. Straight to it. Nah. Straight to it. I ain't even have to say a word. Type shit, nigga. We taking dubs out here, so that's two. That's two. Shit, hey, what I said I was gonna say last video? I said last video was an L, but this time I'm gonna take dubs, nigga.
Yeah, he's the one.
Where my nick at? Excuse me. I get your number.
Huh?
I get your number.
I got a boyfriend.
You got a boyfriend. You can't have no friends. Dang. How about this? You take my number down. And whenever y'all in an argument or you just not feeling that nigga, you hit me up.
No, we don't argue like that, so it won't be no fun of me.
You never know.
No, we've been together for a long time.
All right, I ain't gonna disrespect the thing. She had a boyfriend.
Fuck that.
I tried to say that.
All right, go back down here.
Yeah, wait.
Look. Justin. Oh my God, dude. You gotta try to get all three.
All
I ain't
three?
gonna lie, pick the baddest one.
Bro,
while
it's
you
March,
can
bro.
right
Spring break, bro.
now. Come on, bro.
I'm
Get the
dead
light
ass.
skin.
This what niggas gonna be posting the whole March at Miami.
Oh, yeah.
They gonna be
Get the
talking
light
to all the hoes.
Get the light skin.
Nigga, get all three. Be like, hey, y'all can look at this. Come on, bro. What the nigga with the Oh, the hoes gonna be like, what the fuck? You smoke Nick?
You be like that. That's that gas.
Nigga be like, yeah, I'm gonna pay.
I ain't gonna lie, that light skin.
She do, so I should go for her, huh?
Go for all the hoes.
Just go.
I mean, they already see the camera, so.
Yeah, fuck it, it don't matter.
Oh, let them walk over here first and just turn around.
It's so
I
good.
gotta walk.
So I don't gotta walk. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. You funny for that. You said what? None of them was looking at me.
What about the one on the bench?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah, let's go. Migrate.
Migrate. So good. I'm finna blitz this hoe. Like I'm a quarterback. She was on the phone. I don't know. And I wasn't gonna press it. It's good. Good. Excuse me. I get your number. Why not? Damn.
Wow, man. Damn.
You be bougie, man. I don't know if it's because they seen the camera or not. Like, she wouldn't even say no words to me. She kind of weird. Suspicious. Ain't that right, Savage?
You think we should just like hide it?
Nah, it's good.
Alright.
Yeah.
You can lucky just like hide it.
Fuck it. Why not? Y'all blowing my high. I ain't taking smart shots, man. I ain't taking smart shots, but I'm going like. All right, YouTube. So we ended up having to switch locations. I want to provide y'all with some variety a little bit. So we around the corner at another college, U of H, if y'all should know it. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we back with the content.
You want my number? And you weren't gonna say that. You were just going.
So can I have it? Yes.
You got my Insta.
I don't really do Instas because like you're not gonna text me on that.
No, facts.
Exactly.
But I also don't be texting back number. What your friends doing? What they doing?
I don't know. I think they're looking at a video. Like on my this.
You think that's what they're doing?
Yeah. We was recording a video earlier today. They're just looking at the video. So like, yes. Wow. Can you at least take down my number? So if you do feel like texting me, you will.
Okay, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. What y'all doing here?
Just touring the campus.
Alright. What's your name?
Dylan. What's yours?
Alexis.
All right, text me that. Can't shake my hand. You want a hug?
No. That's fine.
All right, nice meeting you.
Dylan.
Nice meeting you too. That's good.
Nigga think he's the nigga.
That bitch up.
How do you know?
But yeah, I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna use it back. This shit.
Shit gets stuck.
Excuse me, I know you busy, but I can get your number.
What's that?
I know you busy, but can I get your number? You have a boyfriend. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Welcome again. So, today's video, y'all can call it what y'all want, but I got a lot more numbers than I did last video. And if y'all haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it up there. But, so if you guys wanna see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, y'all know the drill. We at 8:20 as I'm filming this video right now. So, hey, y'all might as well subscribe now, cause we already know. Right now we right here, but we gonna be up there soon. So, yeah, if y'all enjoyed it, send this to a friend. But without saying no more, Cookem is out.